Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. So overnight, the market kind of tried to come back, and when it get to the morning, it's kind of freaking out and drop down a lot. It actually make a new low, and by 8:30. But once that PPI release, it seems like huge relief, and it pushed back up a lot here. And as we can see here, by the open, when it opened, it kind of really kind of jack up a lot and kind of push all the way up to pretty much here is like the midpoint of the close of Tuesday and the low of yesterday. So it basically come back up here, and then from here and kind of tumbling down again, and almost trying to make a new low here, and just a few cents away. And then later it seems I found the bottom here is kind of like continuously going back up, and really kind of surprisingly is kind of going up all the way to actually above like 52.10. And if we look at it here from the low and the morning high, and this is it almost kind of make the kind of the same move, kind of same range from the of the morning range, and it doubled that and almost hitting up here like a 52.13. So it's a really fascinating move, and but when it get to the close, and it seems like very so bullish that it could possibly jack up for the higher up here, but it settled down to this 50% retracement level. And if you look at this 51.99, this is about the level from the recent high here, 52, 56, and 59, to all the way the recent low here. So that's the midpoint. And it's interesting, and yesterday it also closed at the midpoint. The only thing is at that midpoint is this recent high and a kind of very recent low here. And it looks to me that this thing is kind of finished this move, and probably likely is going up from here. Of course, the market could do whatever that it wanted to do, and we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. But I would be leaning towards that it would be more likely it would be going back up. Could likely going to tend to touch the new high here. We shall see, and of course it would need to go above this level. The first is like a 52.18, and then another one would be 52.34-ish, and if we can kind of break above there, then yes, it's likely going to make a new high, and it will be interesting to see that how things are going to shape up tomorrow. So let's quickly just look at the calendar, and so tomorrow is like we have the first one is at 8:30 again, we have like a import export data, and then 10 o'clock have the consumer sentiment, and then 1 o'clock have a Baker Hughes oil rig count, and 2:30 that could be a pretty influential, or probably not, but there is a speech from coming from Fed Bostic. My guess is that today there's also a speech coming from Fed Bostic that's at 1:30, and I don't think he's going to change his tone like dramatically, and I guess whatever the market kind of chose to move here from this big range here, and is able to kind of stay above, and now it's sort of close above this range. Then tomorrow, if we can kind of stay above this 5202-ish, I would say 5205, let's say 5205, then it's likely going to look pretty bullish, going upside for Friday. And so it seems like the earnings season going to kick off soon, and so this may be we shall see that whether the market going to want to front run it, and or just kind of like just chopping around here waiting for the earnings season to kick off. With that said, wish you all the best, and may you be with the energy all time. Thank you.